Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a sound problem on Snapchat. So guys, if you're using Snapchat on iPhone or on Android phone and you have problem related video sound or normal sound problem, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, in this video you will see some possible solutions of this error. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, the first solution is you have to open your main profile and click on your settings and scroll it down. So guys, from here you have to click on clear data, and guys, now you have to scroll it down. At last you will see the option of clear cache. Simply you have to clear cache of your app, and guys, now you have to go back on your home screen. And guys, the second method is you have to open your app store on your iPhone, and if you're using Android phone you have to open Play Store in that phone, and here you need to search Snapchat. So guys, you have to search this here, and you have to update your Snapchat app if not updated. So guys, after doing update, all the bug will be fixed, and guys, your problem will be fixed also. So guys, after doing this method, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys, after this you have to scroll it down, click on Snapchat, and you need to offload your app. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.